Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for joining me for today's video. So today is slightly different. I'm going back to my scrapbooking roots and I'm really looking forward to this one because I've had this layout in my mind for quite some time, and then along popped Lou's new collection in the stars, and now I can complete my layout that I've had in my head for a while. So I'm just going to dive straight in. I absolutely love this new collection. As you can see, I'll be doing my cat today, and we have this beautiful cat here, so I'm going to have a lot of fun with this collection. And we have the stamps here as well, and Lou's got some amazing tutorials on her channel as well. So today I'm going to be making an A4 layout. Again, this is very completely different to what I normally have on my channel, but it does relate to memory keeping. Obviously it's a scrapbook page and mini album, so you can shrink this down and put it on a mini album page or two pages, or you can journal in this style as well. So it's all related. So I'm going to be using the Dreamcatcher die set, and also this one here, which is the Celestial Words. Now I've got the entire collection here. I got my VIP discount on that too. And I'll be using the word dream from here, and I'll be getting some more alphabet dies out as well to finish off my title. So as you can see, it's kind of coming together in my head, and I'm going to be using some distressed oxide inks as well. Got my brushes at the ready. Now I'm going to be fast forwarding this, so if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments section, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys. Anything else, yeah, just sit back, get a cup of tea, favourite drink, watch all this go together, and then I will catch you again at the end. Oh, and before I get started, I do have a quick tip here. Experiment with your plates, because this is a very, very intricate die. Okay, so experiment with your plates, experiment with it facing upwards, facing downwards, or going diagonally like that, or running it through twice as well. So I have these two here. I might layer them together, I might not, we'll see what happens, but that's just my quick tip here on getting this die cut out. So be patient with it and try a few things. Okay, so here is my finished page. I'm really pleased how this has turned out. I've even popped a little note there with the date and everything. If you don't like the look of that, then don't do that, just pop it on the back. I like mine to be visual, so I can just quickly look and see the date and then everything like that. So okay, so a little bit about this layout. So I have, this works because it flows this way around here and then off the page here. So it starts here and it flows around because I've added interest here at this blank area at the top here. Your eye is drawn through this area here, the main die. It goes to the photograph. Now my cat is kind of facing this way, so you're looking this way now, and this catches your eye to the rest of the title, Dream Catch Me. I hadn't planned on doing this little play on the words here. I was popping down the letters, and I was like, hang on a sec, cat, you know, catch me. Yes, I know, I have these in the alphabet die here. And then I realised this is exactly what textures does as well. So I thought, yes, this all goes together really nicely. I hadn't planned on that happening, so I thought that was a really nice thing. And then I've just added another offcut here from one of these dream catchers at the bottom, just so that your eye trails off the page, if that makes sense as well. I've done some very basic, you would have seen very basic stamping here, and also some heat embossing too. I'm really pleased with this one. This is going to fit perfectly as it's A4 in my A4 scrapbooking folder. And I absolutely love how this one has turned out. So if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. If you want to try this one, you know, I don't mind if you copy this completely. I'd love to see anything that you do make. So I do have Paper Crafting with Helen Griffin group on Facebook. I would love for you to join us on there. There's a really friendly bunch there, and we'd love to see everyone's creative projects. So I will leave the details for that down below. So the products featured that I've used today will also be listed down below. So I hope you really enjoyed this one. It's a bit different from me. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon.